Guys, Paul Kolomeyer here, and today we're going to be taking a look at something that's pretty confusing for beginner options traders, which is the bid-ask spread. If you end up enjoying this video, then make sure to drop a like for the YouTube algorithm and subscribe for more content like this. With that out of the way, let's get right into it. So for today's video, we're going to be starting right away in Robinhood with our example stock, which is Bank of America. Here, I'm looking to buy the $24 call expiring July 17th for 69 cents per share. This means that I would pay $69 total. But once you click on it, you realize that this is somewhat misleading. This is misleading because 69 cents per share is the average between the price that someone's willing to pay for the option, which is the bid price, and the option's current value that someone's willing to sell it for, which is the ask price. This means that even though Robinhood is displaying the value as $69, it is misleading because the person that's selling the option for $70 might not be open to accepting $69 for the option. This means that if you want to ensure that you're the one who's going to get the option, then you need to go up to $70 for the option. Later, when you're going to be trying to sell the option, you also might lose a couple dollars by having to meet the bid price. This couple of dollars that you lose upon the entrance and exit of an option is known as slippage. And the $3 slippage between the bid and the ask for Bank of America isn't very significant, but in many situations, it can be significant. It can be significant when you're looking at less traded stocks on Robinhood. For example, Robinhood may display the cost for an option to be $1, but that's the average between a 50-cent bid and a $1.50 ask, which is very misleading. This is something that you should look out for when trading options, and in order to minimize slippage when trading options, I recommend you trade options that are one of the most popular stocks on Robinhood. You can get a sense for how popular a stock is by looking at the amount of people that hold that stock on Robinhood. I try to go for companies that have at least 100,000 holders on Robinhood in order to enter them to make sure that I can enter and exit the trade without much slippage. Anyways, that's all for today because today's a pretty simple topic. And if you guys enjoyed or learned something from today's video, then make sure to drop a like for the YouTube algorithm and subscribe for more videos like this. With that out of the way, anyway, that's all for today because today's a pretty simple topic. If you ended up enjoying this video, then make sure to drop a like button for the YouTube algorithm and subscribe for more content like this. Till next time.